All right, so here's another unboxing of a KEH product. The first one was the T3i for the wife. We are going on a trip to Montana. No, I'm sorry, Colorado in a couple of weeks, like the first or second week of November. So I thought I would order me a lens. It's nothing really fancy. So let's check it out. Now I need to say one really cool thing about KEH. In fact, I could say a lot of cool things about KEH. I had issues the first time. I actually forgot to mention it when I did the camera unboxing. I had some issues with ordering on the website. It's no big deal. I resolved it myself and didn't have to call anybody. The second time around, I actually had an issue with the website. I went through the Affirm thing. I just wanted to try that out. I hear a lot of good things about the easy way to finance a lens. I could have bought the lens right off, but I got my vacation coming up, so I figured, I'll pay it off when I get back. So anyway, I had some issues with the order. Probably my fault. I'm going to go ahead and say that right now. But one phone call to KEH and fixed it all. They're amazing people there. I really honestly can't. I look around and I see lenses and camera bodies cheaper than what they're offering from like Adorama, B&H, and some other, even eBay or Amazon used items, whatever. And just my couple of dealings with KEH, I have no problems paying that little bit extra for the quality of service that they do give. And the items so far I've been pretty happy with. So let's see how this goes. So. This is, once again, a very well packaged box from KEH. Love the wrapping. This little bad boy is actually a lens for me. Not that the wife won't be able to use it too, but all right. Yeah, cool deal. Cool deal. Got a little invoice there. Last time they gave me a little free wine card. They didn't do that last time, so this time I gave that to the wife. This is a Canon 85 f1.8. This is not the L lens. I wish it was the L lens, but it is not the L lens. So we will see how this goes. Hopefully, I have no doubts that it's going to look good. All right. Nice. Good way to, I love the way they package this stuff. So hopefully my audio will sound halfway decent this time around. And as soon as I get a chance, I'll get my camera and this thing where there's no vibration and no knock, so I'm just kind of limited on space and what I can do. So this was excellent. This was an EX rated. They didn't have any. I don't know if they had a bargain or not. I don't think they did. My next one might actually be a bargain, just to see what it is. I mean, they have a painless return policy anyway. So first of all, I really like the fact that it came in a Ziploc bag. Not bad. A little CAE, a little in-store sticker. That's kind of nice. All right. Well, I did not get a hood. Wasn't expecting one. That's really, I'd rather have the hood than the friggin' caps, to be honest with you. I don't really use caps. Wow. Wow, even an EX. This thing is really nice. And it's supposed to have full-time manual focus, so I won't break it doing this. Seems smooth. Let's put it on a camera. It's my 7D. I know it's a crop body. I know this is a full-frame lens, but I don't care. It's what I have, and if you know Canon, you know this lens. Wow, does that look sexy or what? This really looks nice. So hopefully, let's see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I guess I gotta aim it away a little bit. So let's take a test shot of the dog. Well, oh yeah. Seems to work really nicely. Autofocus is really, really fast, but again, this isn't an item review. I mean, tons and tons of people have reviewed lenses far better than I ever would. Christopher Frost, Kai W, anything from Digital Rec, Lock, all of those guys who were Jared Polin, Fronos. I don't want to get any trademarks, but good guys, good stuff on all of their channels. So yeah, not bad, not bad. It's my my nifty 50. Love that lens. But another excellent deal. I cannot wait. I'm actually going to order my first L lens from these guys, and I have a feeling it's going to come in absolutely immaculate. But yeah, it's not a spot on this thing at all. I don't know where they get. I don't know where they get their grading scales, but I hope they never change. I really do, and I think my next one will be a bargain level. So yeah, not bad, not bad. Good shipping. Good people, good company, good product. I actually forgot to do this the last time. Here, actually, if we want to see what's up there, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I mean, it literally looks like I just pulled it out of the Canon box and put it on my camera. So, not too bad at all. Now I can't wait to use it. I finally got a power supply for the Canon 7D, so maybe if I do any more of these unboxings in the future, I will have that to use as opposed to my iPhone 8 Plus. Not that it doesn't do too bad. I mean, it doesn't do too bad of a job, but it's still an iPhone.